Welcome back to this class. We want to talk of if function. If function on our introducing tables. If functions. Now we have uh, this is a range as I've said before. Why this one is a table. Now we want to determine whether Sarah as a guest. Maybe we have many Sarahs. If they are when they are that is a large group, and if they are not a large group. You want to determine. So that is the work of if function. Follow me. Equal to if if that is a logical test. No, let us start from the top. Equal to if that is a logical test. Excuse me. If guest is greater than 2, hmm, is greater than 2, value if true. That is capital N, large group, comma, value if false. That is if guest E16, E6, guest E6 is not a large group, empty cell, closing parenthesis. If guest guest in cell E6 is greater than 2, that is going to indicate N as a large group. And if not, the cell large group is going to be empty. Enter. As you can see, this indicates. Now let us balance it. Home. Yes. It shows that it is only Paul. Guest under Paul. In row Paul, we have large that uh, that uh, that is a large group. Under Ezra is a large group also. Now let us do the same here under our table. Equal to if our logical test, if guest guess this guest, that is M6, is a large group. Is a what? Is a large group, comma. No, if this cell M6 is greater than 2, comma, value is 2, that is a large group. That is display capital L. Hope you are following me. I don't want to fast so that it won't be as if, so that it won't confuse you. And if not, the cell is going to be empty, closing parenthesis, enter. As you can see, you know why it is that I didn't highlight the word, this column, before everything display, before before it's calculated everything, all the cell, because this is a table. Why this one is a range, I need to highlight it like this before the calculation is going to work. But here it will just calculate it because it's a table. Why this one is a range?